In the BC calculus system, integral-based offenses are considered especially heinous. In room C-232, the dedicated detectives who investigate these vicious felonies are members of an elite squad known as the Special Victims Dog Unit. These are their stories.
Woof, woof!
So, what are you thinking?
I'm thinking it's a classic Class 2 integrative second derivative homicide. What do you think?
That's exactly what I think. Hello, I'm average detective number 1, also known as AVD1. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. My name is average detective number 2, also known as AVD2. It's a pleasure.
Pleasure to meet you.
So what do you think? This is a very difficult case.
Look at all the blood.
I know, there's blood all over. This must be a horrible mass killer.
Must be.
What is that?
What is that?
There's a stain on it. I think it's water.
Look at the signs, the numbers, the X's. Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
I think so. Is it a integral? I think I know how to solve this. I need to get out my handy dandy notebook.
Get on it.
Let's do it. Oh, you weren't supposed to see that. Okay, I think we got this.
Ready?
Yes. So it's an integral that goes from 0 to 1/2 x times e to the 2x power.
You know what we should do?
Yes.
U sub.
We should do u substitution.
I know.
That's perfect. U should equal 2x.
Yes. Exactly.
And du equals 2. And dx equals du over 2.
Perfect. Now let's get on to this. You sure we're doing this right?
AVD1, I don't know. What nothing cancels out.
I think this has to go over there.
What?
Yeah.
What are
I'm
you-
so confused now.
I don't know how to do this. AVD1, this integral is way too hard.
I do not think this is a case for an average detective.
I think this is a case for
The
Special Victims Dog Unit! In order to solve this integral, we need to use integration by parts. So, our u is going to be x, so that means our du is 1. Our dv, it has to be e to the 2x, so our v is equal to 1/2 e to the 2x. So, for integration by parts, it's uv minus the integral of v du. So, x 1/2 e to the 2x minus integral 1/2 e to the 2 times 1, which that one will equal, just gonna rewrite that because that looks ugly, to x minus, and that would be e to the 2x times 1/4, which if we do that from 0 to 1/2, we will get 1/4 e to 1 4 to the 1 minus 0 minus 1/4, which is equal to 1/4. That's our answer. Hello? What? The answer to the integral is the address. Are you kidding? We have to go right now!
So you finally found me, huh?
We're gonna rough you up.
Henchman, tie him up! Whoa!
Okay, I'm finished, Master.
Great, my evil plan is complete. Now nobody will be able to solve that integral, and I'll forever rule C232.
Ha ha ha!
With the arrival of the canine unit of the Special Victims Dog Unit, there was hope. If the dogs are able to solve the integral with SVDU, otherwise known as integration by parts, and enter the answer into the keypad before time runs out, the bomb will be defused.
Three, go. Ouch! You okay? Yeah.
Are you guys okay?
Oh yeah. Oh, shit, I'm bleeding.
We can also cut, like, so we'll just like take the scene that you felt and
have
then.
a bloody nose. You guys have a bloody nose. Oh my god. Can someone get me something? Yeah. Oh my god.
Oh no, Mel.
I'm just gonna get a whole roll of paper towels.
Henchmen, tie the knot! You can cut it!
Are you okay, Justine?
Y'all aren't taught.
You had to say one thing! You had...
I said don't land on your feet.
Again. Look at Wait, is it lost? Wait, I have an idea. Just keep it moving. Right. Keep it moving. And get it? Wait,
Can someone give me a lift up? Can someone lift me up? Justine, you're the smallest. I'll lift you up. No, wait, go ahead. It's not gonna work.
Rule C 232.
Hurry, so the fucking door.
I don't know what to do with it. What are you gonna throw it at?
And when you does anyone remember what the fuck this equals? We're gonna take a break in the video.